number 1. 1 joule is equal to dash urge. A 10 to the power 9, B 10 to the power 5, C 10 to the power 7, D 10 to the power 10. You're getting 5 seconds. The correct answer is 10 to the power 7 urge. Question number 2. Which of the following is an example of work done against force? A. Getting up the stairs. B. Getting down with the stairs. C. Walking on the flat ground. Or D. Dropping any object down from the top. The correct answer is A. Getting up the stairs. Question number 3. What happens to its potential energy when an object is taken to the high altitude? A. Its potential energy increases. B. Its potential energy decreases. C. Its potential energy remains the same. Or D. None of the above. As the potential energy is directly proportional to height, so the answer is A. Its potential energy increases. Question number 4. The rate of change of work is dash. A. Power. B. Force. C. Momentum. D. Energy. The correct answer is A. Power. Question number 5. An object of mass 200 gram moving with the velocity 50 centimeter per second. What is its kinetic energy? A. 2.1 into 10 to the power 5 urge. B. 2 into 10 to the power 5 urge. C. 2.8 into 10 to the power 5 urge. Or D. 2.5 into 10 to the power 5 urge. You are getting 10 seconds for this question. The correct answer is D. 2.5 into 10 to the power 5 urge. Question number 6. Which of the following is true? A. Power equal to work done into time. B. Power equal to work done by time. C. Power equal to work done into velocity. Or D. Power equal to work done by velocity. The correct answer is B. Power equal to work done by time. Question number 7. A particle is thrown upward with some kinetic energy. What happens to its kinetic energy at the highest point or height it reaches? A. Its kinetic energy is lost. B. Its all kinetic energy is absorbed by the air. C. Its kinetic energy is converted to potential energy. D. Its kinetic energy remains the same. The correct answer is C. Its kinetic energy is converted to potential energy. Question number 8. The energy possessed by a body due to its position is called A. Kinetic energy. B. Potential energy. C. Mechanical energy. Or D. Electrical energy. The correct answer is B. Potential energy. Question number 9. What happens to the body on which work is done? A. It loses energy. B. It gains energy. C. No change in the energy. D. First it loses, then it gains. The correct answer is B. It gains energy. Question number 10. Which of the following device converts chemical energy into electrical energy? A. Battery. B. Loudspeaker. C. Solar cell. D. Electric motor. The correct answer is A. Battery. Question number 11. If the velocity of the body is doubled, its kinetic energy will A. Gets doubled. B. Becomes half. C. Does not change. D. Becomes 4 times. The correct answer is D. Becomes 4 times. Question number 12. A student carries a bag weighing 5 kg from the ground floor to his class on the first floor, that is 2 meter high. The work done by the boy is dash. A. 1 joule. B. 10 joule. C. 100 joule. Or D. 1000 joule. Correct answer is C. 100 joule. Question number 13. Car A has a mass of 1000 kg and a speed of 60 km per hour, and car B has a mass of 2000 kg and a speed of 30 km per hour. The kinetic energy of car A is dash. A. Half that of car B. B. Equal to that of car B. C. Twice that of car B. D. 4 times that of car B. The correct answer is C. Twice that of car B. Question number 14. How do we express the total amount of energy a moving object has? A. Kinetic energy into potential energy. B. Kinetic energy plus potential energy. C. Kinetic energy minus potential energy. Or D. Kinetic energy divided by potential energy. The correct answer is B. Kinetic energy plus potential energy. Question number 15. No work is said to be done when an object moves at an angle dash with the direction of the force. A. 90 degree, that is right angle. B. 0 degree. C. 180 degree. D. Between 90 and 180 degree. The correct answer is A. 90 degree, that is right angle. Question number 16. If we lift a object from an iron table, then we work against which force? A. Gravity. B. Magnetic. C. Electrical. D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Gravity. Question number 17. Calculate the work done in lifting 50 kg of water through a vertical height of 20 meters. Take G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. A. 9000 joule. B. 4500 joule. C. 9800 joule. D. 4400 joule. The correct answer is C. 9800 joule. Question number 18. No work is done by a man pushing a wall because A. no displacement takes place. B. No force is applied. C. No effort is applied. D. None of these. The correct answer is A. No displacement takes place. Question number 19. A force of 40 Newton acts on a body and moves it through a distance of 3 meter on a horizontal surface. Calculate the work done if the direction of the force is an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal surface. A. 40 joule. B. 60 joule. D. 30 joule. D. 50 joule. The correct answer is B. 60 joule. Question number 20. Electric motor is an example of conversion of electrical energy into dash. A. Chemical energy. B. Mechanical energy. C. Light energy. Or D. Sound energy. The correct answer is B. Mechanical energy. Thank you for watching. The next part is coming soon. Go to my playlist for more such videos. Thank you.